Hello everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our gas caps for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. The Ryker was launched with a capless fuel system, which is convenient but does leave the fuel zone susceptible to dust, especially if you're using your Ryker Rally to its full potential. It also allows people easy access to your fuel system for potential tampering while you're away. With this in mind, we now have two fuel cap solutions for you to choose from. Our first cap is Billet Aluminum and anodized black for a stealthy look. This is for those of you that don't want to fumble around with keys but would like to keep potential contaminants out of your fuel system. This gas cap features a vent hole up top as well as a grab handle for easy install and removal when it's time to refuel. Our second gas cap solution not only protects your tank from contaminants, but also includes two keys so you can keep your fuel system under lock and key. This may be the perfect solution for those of you that park your Ryker outside or leave your bike unattended for long periods of time. To remove, simply insert the key and turn it towards the unlock icon on the top of the cap and lift straight up and off. To reinstall, simply set the cap in place and turn the key towards the lock icon and then remove the key. Now, if adding either our Billet Aluminum dust cap or our lockable gas cap is on your Ryker's mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and pick up one of these gas caps for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.